you add the peach pigment already?
Yes, 5 drops exactly.
The viscosity reading is still too high according to the formula. Yes, we need to adjust the softening agent ratio immediately. I'm adjusting the valve now, monitor the flow rate.
Flow rate stabilizing at 2.5 liters per minute. Is the color consistent enough? Yes, that looks perfect. We can start the pour.
Alignment check complete.
Gauge confirms tolerance levels are good. Moving to the next one.
Every detail, from the lifelike skin tones to the delicate rooted eyelashes, undergoes a rigorous inspection, ensuring a flawless commercial finish.
The most realistic silicone dolls on the market, handcrafted with precision and care in our state-of-the-art facility.